the anger against the gruesome rape and murder of a 31-year-old doctor and mob violence which disrupted peaceful midnight protests in Kolkata only continues to grow. The Indian Medical Association is on a 24-hour nationwide strike with withdrawal of all services across the country. Only emergency services and casualty services will continue to operate. OPDs, elective surgeries will all be non-operational as well. The IMA has listed 5 key demands. Key among them is the continued push for a central law for protection of doctors and to declare hospitals as a safe zone with airport-level security in place. The doctors have also demanded a complete overhaul of the working and living conditions of resident doctors and meticulous investigation of any crime in a specific time frame. Shreya and Nikhil join in with the latest from on what's happening in this space and ground reports from there as well coming in.
Well, of course, we see that the investigation is now picking up space. Remember, the Calcutta High Court have intervened. They have transferred the entire case from that of the Kolkata police to that of the CBI. Now, Kolkata police so far arrested Sanjay Roy, the civic volunteer. Now, CBI, they are grilling Sandeep Ghosh, who is the former principal of R G Kar Medical College and Hospital. Remember, he was the acting principal when the gruesome rape and murder happened here. This is the emergency building. Remember, just in the 4th floor of this emergency building, the incident has happened. Now, what we are picking up from sources, Sandeep Ghosh was grilled by the CBI yesterday. Remember, he was taken in for questioning by the CBI yesterday. He left late at night, what our sources are telling us, and he has been summoned once again today for questioning. Now, this was one of the major demand of the students who were sitting in Dharna right outside, inside the main gate of R G Kar Medical College and Hospital. They were saying from day one to hold the authority responsible. They were asking questions. They were putting question mark on this role of the principal. They were demanding him to be questioned. Now, CBI have also started grilling Sandeep Ghosh. We will have to see how the inquiry moves forward. But as far as the victim's parents is concerned, they are hoping for justice at this point in time.
So the call which was given by the Indian Medical Association for doctors to observe the suspension of services, that is something which is currently being observed in parts of the capital city. Currently we are reporting from the Safdarjung Hospital, which is one of the prominent healthcare facility in New Delhi, and you can see that this is the picture which is coming in right at this place because the call has been given for the protest, for the suspension of services. So the patients are the one who are facing the brunt, and to keep a check on the overall safety and security, the paramilitary forces have also been deployed right outside the OPD chamber here at the Safdarjung Hospital, and in fact we can see some of the women personnel as well. They have been equally deployed here. So on one side, the doctors across the nation, be it from the private facility or the public facility, they are protesting right on the streets. On the other side, the patients are the one who are facing the problem. Let's take a quick view from the patients. आपको तकलीफ हुई है कोई अभी तक? आप सफदरजंग में आए हैं, ओपीडी जैसा कि बताया गया है कि हड़ताल रहेगी, आज नहीं होगा. प्रॉब्लम हो रही है?
प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, भीड़ बहुत है इस समय. इसमें भीड़ बहुत है, नंबर लगा रखे हैं, कम से कम 200 आदमी के बाद का नंबर है.
200 आदमी. So you can imagine the plight of the people who have come here. In fact, we have spoken to some of the people who have told us that even the basic facilities are being denied by those people who are in charge of here. So not just people are sitting inside, but outside as well, the people are in difficulty. They are forced to sit here because a lot of people have already gone inside. I would urge my camera person Vijay Gaurav to keep showing you the visuals from the other place as well. Remember, IMA had given this particular call that from Saturday, that means from today 6 a.m., the suspension of the OPD services and the elective surgeries, they are going to remain inoperative. Although some kind of relief has been given to the casualty ward and the emergency ward, they are going to operate likewise. But this is the picture where the patients are the ones who are facing the brunt. This is the picture which is coming in from all across the country.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.